right, as we go into the afternoon, this is what's happening for you. You're going to be seeing today La Crosse holding on to increasing clouds gradually as we go through the evening hours. The winds are going to stir up. In fact, the winds will get up to about 10 miles per hour, but the gusts will get up to about 26 miles per hour in some cases for today. Let's get into areas right by Eau Claire. We'll see what they've got going on as well. They'll have the same with the increasing clouds, temperatures from 14 to 13 degrees as we go through the evening with increasing clouds. Then we carry over to how this all looks. Current dew points are out there right now. We are dry as a bone, but things are going to change. Why? Because we've got this moisture coming up from the Gulf. This area of low pressure is going to usher this in and continue to carry this right over us. This high pressure continues to scoot it over a little bit, and then once we get deeper into tomorrow, we'll find ourselves getting into colder conditions, and then eventually we'll see some cool conditions for the day tomorrow. Highs for Friday, well, we're probably going to go from 15 to 22 degrees today under partly cloudy skies, but you can see all that white right there. That's cloud cover, right? That's increasing cloud cover. But then you take a look at the pink and the white. The white, or the bluish color, that is snow, and then that's a mix of snow when you get into the pink. There's your color legend right above there at the top, just so you can point it out. This will move right over La Crosse and continue to get into a little bit of intensity here as we go right back into at least the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock hour in the morning, and that will continue to lift up to the north back to Minneapolis. Eau Claire will get some of that, as well as Ladysmith. But then we look down to the south. This is the snow that's coming in, mixed in blue here, mixed in the purple. That is more ice, possibly into freezing rain and sleet and drizzle. Rainfall comes into a part of it as the green shows up here. You're looking at temperatures widespread in the 20s to the 30s. This will continue to lift up and weaken up to the north with a little mix up by Eau Claire. You'll see the stronger mix moving out towards the east by Lake Michigan as this all widens out, and eventually everything starts to lift up to the northeast, and out we go as we finish out all of this rainfall going into Sunday, just about 4 o'clock in the morning, and we should be done by that for everybody. So tonight, going into Saturday through Saturday, hazardous conditions, holding on to snow, freezing rain, sleet, not out of the question, maybe even some freezing drizzle, and of course the ice, which will be the most dangerous around southwest to at least the south along I-90. Now that will continue on. La Crosse holding on as we go into the overnight hours, increasing clouds, as you can see, with the temperatures associated with that as well. And yes, that's a little bit of light flurry snow moving to the area. As far as ice is concerned, well, yesterday we had 0.01 inches. Now, right now, it's not showing much. But then you continue on, and then we're looking at the snow itself. As this continues up, by the time we finish out, we could see up to 4 inches of snow into the forecast. Yeah, that continues to grow, as you can see that by La Crosse. Then we get into the rainfall. It'll probably be about 1/3 of an inch as we finish all of that done, as we finish out for the day, going into Sunday as well. And then eventually we get into how this all plays out for your 8-day forecast, and away we go, where you're looking at conditions to play out like this. You're going to see 22 degrees today, 35 tomorrow with an alert day, a mix of rain and snow, which is a wintry mix, drier for Sunday. Mild conditions carry over into Monday with about a 30% chance of rainfall, I believe that says. And we see drier conditions for Tuesday of next week, and we're back in the cool as we go right into the following Thursday and Friday of next week with a little bit of rainfall. Allison.
Feels like we just can't get a break from this bad winter weather. Like, it went from very, very cold to this wintry mix that's going to really, hurt roads and travel conditions. Like, we need a little bit of a break from it.
You know what?
Art, I hope you bring us one.
Winter is coming next week Saturday.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well, thank you, Art.